Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're on the 6th floor of the 1400 high-rise in 1400 Hiline, that is, in Dallas, Texas. 1400 Hiline in Dallas, Texas. This is a really pretty building. It's in the design district, and this is the amenities. So we're going to start with just kind of describing a few of these, and we're going to go into each one of these in detail. But you can see it's got some unusual, cool amenities. This is a fitness center. We're going to walk into that in a minute. We're going to see that. There is a beautiful lounge in here. We're going to see that. And then there's a gorgeous pool that's over here. We're going to see that too. And then this is what the actual apartments look like. You can see they're gorgeous. Look at all the floor-to-ceiling windows they're going to have. So if you're wanting a high-rise experience with floor-to-ceiling windows, this is your place. It's just beautiful. There's also a tennis court over here. Very cool. And there's just some grounds. So you have to remember, this is the 6th floor. It has all of this greenery, shrubs, trees, grass. It's very cool to see this. It feels like it's a first floor experience, but it's on the 6th floor. This is looks like a pickleball court. Yep, this is a pickleball court all ready to go here. So love this. This is cool. It's unusual to have this kind of feature, and to see this kind of amenity, especially in a high rise. This is probably literally the first high rise I've ever seen that has a pickleball court on site. So beautiful 6th floor. We're going to dive into some details in just a minute. We're going to start with the pool right up there and go see that right now. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, or if you're ready to set up a tour, virtual or live, send me a text. Just use the number below.